villa. We've got this, the driveway, and then as you come through the door, oh, the aircon is lovely. Just in that corner. And then we have the kitchen area here. Nice big, massive cooker. Some idiot with a chicken. Telly in the downstairs lounge. Downstairs master bedroom. So if you've got anybody that's infirm or, you know, struggles with stairs, there's a lovely one down here. Nice bathroom. Separate toilet in there, but I won't show you the toilet. And then all the way through here, we've got another small downstairs toilet in case, you know, you need two downstairs. A laundry room, washer and dryer. And in the garage, this was the kids' highlight. Put the light on. The only problem with this room is there is no air conditioning in it, which, as you can imagine, it's a bit like trying to play air hockey in a sauna. And the mini arcade machine works, which, you know, the kids have been absolutely over the moon with. And then if we go through the downstairs bedroom and bathroom, we can get outside to the pool area. We picked carefully with this resort because we wanted it to be somewhere with really nice quality villas. When you get out. Okay, so lovely pool area.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
No, I'm sorry. I'm just going to enhance the video.
You can heat the pool, but we opted for not having pool heating, and it's been fine. A little bit cool, like when you first get in, but honestly, it's so hot, it's nice. Outside seating area.
Well, hello.
You're going on YouTube.
No, sorry not.
That's alright, we'll cut you out of YouTube.
Wait, what?
It's alright, no, I'm not doing it live. And then I'll take you upstairs. It's really silly, but I tell you, the carpet is so soft. So we've got this upstairs seating area, easily big enough to fit the whole household. There's a PlayStation 4 there. Again, the kids have enjoyed it. And then desk if you need to work. The master bedroom, which one of the teenage girls has had, so messy. Master bathroom. Nice shower room in here. I mean, it's chaos obviously, but that's what happens when you've got teenagers. There's so much storage space. You can just lose your suitcase and everything else. We've got one of the kids' rooms. There we go. So you can actually sleep 3 in here. Telly in every single room, and the tellies have all got Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus and everything else on it. Another double room. Don't want to sleep on here. Another double bedroom in here. Another bathroom. Shower room, so that's sort of for these 2 bedrooms. I expect my face is far too close to the camera to use any of this. There's a bathroom through here, but somebody's in there, so we won't go in there. Another little room. This is lovely. The kids really like this room, and these are all night lights. Another telly that works. And then another double bedroom. So actually it's a 6-bedroom house. You see, this is beautiful. The beds are very, very comfortable. There were stacks of towels in every bathroom. So it has been so easy to be here. Everything's worked perfectly. And honestly, it's one of the nicest villas we've ever been in. So if you do come to Florida, Solterra Resort villas are very nice. The villa is perfect. The resort is, how do I put it? Far from everywhere. Well, far because you're on busy roads.